Hey guys, what's up? It's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't judge my appearance right now. I promise I normally don't look like this. Yeah. But you can always subscribe if you want to. The button will be right down below. So today, I decided to randomly film this video. This was not planned at all. I just thought it'd be really cool because last week I was on a online shopping spree, like a rapid one, like a frenzy. It was bad. But I ordered them each on different days, and they all decided to show up at my house on the same day. If you guys want to see what I ordered, a little unboxing, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off with ASOS. These packages are very dirty, and they're getting my vanity all messed up, but it's okay. I'm scared this is not going to fit. These shoes are sold out everywhere. On the Vans website, on Urban Outfitters, and I found them on ASOS. Oh, yes, they're the right size. They're yellow Vans. I didn't think they were going to be the right size. I thought they were going to be 7.5, like, men's. Wait. Yeah. Right? Yeah. I wasn't really sure. So, oh my gosh, they're beautiful. These were a little bit more expensive than, like, the ones, if I were to get them, like, on the Vans site. They were only a couple dollars more. But I ended up getting them cheaper because I have a student discount. These are beautiful. This is my favorite color. If you... What is on this? If you weren't already aware, it's my favorite color. We're going to do Boxycharm because it's not really fun. I mean, it is. Don't get me wrong. I love Boxycharm, but like I'm more excited for the other stuff. So Boxycharm is a monthly subscription service. It's about $21 a month, I believe. And you get some really good makeup products. Obviously, I know exactly what I'm doing right now. So when you open it, it looks like that. Ooh, girl. Okay, I got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I'm going to use this tonight because I got some pores that are filled. High Definition Liquid Lipstick by the brand Ades. Okay, that's kind of pretty. Put it on. Not a fan without makeup on. I got the Tartist Pro Glow. This is just a highlighter. I've tried this before. It's okay. It's just a highlighter. I mean, it's pretty without makeup on, but like I feel like when you put a cream over powder, it just sits on your skin. That sounds like the opposite of what it should be, but just trust me. And then I got an eyeshadow palette by ColourPop. Yes, I've been wanting to try ColourPop's eyeshadows. Yes, this is the Golden State of Mind one. I'm actually really excited for this. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I'm fine. I've wanted to try this so badly. I'm so excited. And then a brow gel. I needed a brow gel. So yay, Boxycharm. Yay, Boxycharm. Alright, next we're gonna do Sephora. This is actually the stuff that I mentioned would be coming in my last video. The VIB sale. Yeah, this is the stuff that I ordered from that sale. And I ordered more, but it's not coming today. I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm really good at unboxing. The first thing is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm sorry if I seem weird in this video. I'm just like so overwhelmed. There's so many packages. I need to slow down. I'm so excited to try this. I'm not gonna try it right now because my hands are dirty. I'm so excited to put this on my face tonight. Okay, and then the next thing I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy Highlighter. I'm so excited. Tomorrow's gonna be a good makeup day for me. Oh, it's beautiful. I love the packaging of this. Oh my gosh. You guys. Oh. Wait, ready? I'm so excited. But this little bag right here is not going to be part of the, like, I'm not unboxing it. I just got it a couple of days ago and I had it set aside because I was planning to do a haul with all this stuff. But then I decided to do an unboxing, spare the moment. That's why I'm not wearing makeup. But I'm going to include this in here because, like I said, I wasn't going to include it in the haul. So this is just from a local boutique near me. I'm not going to say the name or whatever because you guys would figure out where I live. I got this necklace. And it's beautiful. This was kind of like my celebratory present. I found out that I was valedictorian, and so my mom and my dad bought me this necklace in like celebration and it's the most gorgeous piece of jewelry I've ever seen in my life. I've actually worn it a couple times. I couldn't like wait for this, but it's so pretty. Look at that. Like, that's everything I want and more in a necklace. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then another thing I got, I haven't worn yet, I'm wearing it to prom, is a Kendra Scott necklace in this kind of like silvery kind of thing. Obviously my prom dress sneak peek is going to be silver. Well, it's not going to be silver. It's going to have like silver. My shoes are silver. My dress isn't even silver. But yeah, it's just this necklace. It's the Kendra Scott Eliza one. Yeah, it's so pretty. I have 2 or 3 Kendra Scotts already, but that's my first silver one. We're on to the last bag. The last bag. I should have taken a picture of this before for a thumbnail, but it's okay. You know, I'm bad at thumbnails. Oh my god, you guys probably just saw my address. You probably saw it in all of these. Victoria's Secret. Okay. First things first. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited. This shirt is everything. Oh my gosh. It matches. I don't know if you guys have seen my recent vlogs, but I think I wore the matching pants in some of my vlogs. But basically, I have the pants to match this, but I didn't get the shirt because they were each $50. I didn't want to spend that like at one time. So I waited, and I'm glad I waited because I got this on sale. It was originally $50, and I caught it at $29. So I'm so excited. I love this. Can't wait to wear it. And then I just got underwear that I'm not going to show you guys. And then I got a $20 reward card. Woohoo! Now I have 2 of these. Yeah, I'm so excited. And then the last thing that I got is this night shirt. Yeah, that's gonna fit. I got an extra small. I got an extra small in the other shirt too. This is just so cute. I love this. So that is all that I got in today's haul / unboxing. I'm so excited. I love these kinds of videos. Like, I don't know, I just think they're so interesting. But I want to apologize again for my appearance. I was not planning on filming today, and I can't wear makeup because I'm about to go get my lashes filled. So sorry about that. Dummy me, should have planned this. But yeah, okay. So that's all for today's video. That's all that I have for you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Let me know what you guys want to see next from me down in the comments below. I always reply. I try to reply to everybody's comments, so just chat with me down there. That's fine. I would love to chat with you. Thank you guys so much. We hit 400. That's crazy. Like, wow. We hit 400 subs, and I asked you guys in my last video if you guys could get me to 400 subs, and you did, and we're way above that now. So next goal is 500. Can you do it? Can you do it? I have faith in you guys. I know you guys can do it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.